guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fit the steering wheel controls on a Series 3. So obviously we've got some forged bits here. So we've got the bottom one, the side ones and the chin spoke. So some of them can be a bit awkward, so we'll just give you a quick tutorial. So as always, primer first. So we'll get the primer. Don't get this on anything that you're not going to stick stuff to. So we'll just go all the way over that. So we're going to stick all that. And obviously on here is where you're going to be a bit more careful, just to get it on the bit you stick it to. And just let that dry off. So the knack. So on these, obviously we'll start peeling it off while it's out. You've got to basically tuck this top bit underneath there. So once you've got it, your glue off, so what you're going to do is you've got to basically force it underneath the air, rather than taking the airbag off, because that's a bit more of a mission. You can actually just feed it under there. It does go. There we go. And once you've got it in there, then obviously you can line it up, stick it down there. So you can get those on our website, www.KillAllChrome.com. We're going to do another video now, so look out for that, obviously when we're fitting these, which will go over the top. Keep liking, subscribing, sharing, etc. Until next time.